President, the candidate for one come to say, third time the month, or third time, at 2028 and Kasa election, dear. Nyama igidi power 2020 MP before one promise in the MPs are one declare one standing yano one danger zone. I can't say now one more con. When they say yo, you just you need delegate na kasa keke, but something near one yano. I juma the same time no. Who crossing your moya. This is how say one part in the confusion the brain na showroom.
Okay.
Confusion na showroom. Minimum na to share confusion the map part. For election, your peace council as a mo. The day no mini. MPs be brave. One mini eji one sit fi one sem. They know. Inti ama MPs ni biya one mini eji kwa no. Biya one brave MPs biya mtete parliament election na ade. 2024 amafu kofa terrorist group by say kwambia so se we mini say o ma gidi sim.
Someone call about too much. Semester said the mother primary in the man. Some up with Yazana was able to make. And then so much speculations are causing right now about the political state of Ghana. And they said the amount for can say you are John Dramani, the president of Ghana, play a third term agenda. To what I say a true, and I say you true, and I say it possible, and I say any possible. No misaka Prophet Adonai ever behind come home near Manakaba and bridge meeting.
Yeah,
you won't call about too much. Yeah, but that's the problem. Say, you're trying to for no, which me buy.
I said, in media.
Yeah, Prophet. You been right this year, mono. The same thing na can you real musu na can send me na ene. Nkofo can send me brain chrome. For the political system in Ghana, if Ghana is safe, and as a Ghana is safe, odifo, you be so same way na. Kakra na betu naka.
Yo, me da se no asem bisa. Me ti ahwefo mo hwe ensambre. Me mpa e boni so body yankopon yu bibia akoma so ebisade ma no. Na enhye ni din no yam. Ghana politics ene mo nsem president person okọ tete
according to the nkofo kan
ya ekoso.
Yeah.
Na newo minister on. We ni kan she dan ye news.
Samu.
David we ye news.
Be see down.
Esi
pen.
Ebi na esi. Se bi si da na bi si.
Okay.
Anti esi. Na president is chief justice ni ade o the judges e court ni na agenda ben. We ya spiritual entry, we physical thing. Won ko to abo abrekuma. Won win the seat no. The parliamentary MPs no. Won ko kan won say won kuta super majority to won to decide bibi. Anti no. We Ghana ni so when there bibia possible.
Odivo.
Papa.
You read this year mono. Who say BBC betumi si.
No one thing. Abrabona e bono. De bia me kese. Ne yemfa yeni hu do so sin ye di no. But me president say me Canadian fo a wo mo hwe nyamama no a ana say oman no wo president when a prophet for bibia wo kachire no se me Adonai me ka ho a nanka me de metu no fo se sa agenda ne bakra na nka monko
Samu.
Me de me Canady for one ka metu se third time the mom pre o third time pe ato fidie bi
Ifidie benza
ene de high kwan
Beautiful. Also, about Ghana, your political system, no, it is such that NDC kwa NPP aba. Now, me no kasi you know, Canada, Japan, Bahumia, any other people, no more raise so much. CBA 31st January, much meji or more running it into this agenda na ebano. Soon, what is the possibility say between akoso?
2028 and Kasa election media. Ewiemu enye nyama igidi pa 2020 is eba yinim for election ayebe. Ntino nia mesre ni se oman ye nia yenkoso nsre asomdwe mpa ebo mo oman ni nim. But NPP for one promise in India. Senka, there was a leader be. Senka to me, we need race now. Nkabebo one party.
Can I Japona?
So we 5.
You.
Obako mas enko to we nyan kabebo. So wa on behwe. No me say, ade bia wo ye bia no. E so we say aha na ma ho odin fi. Nti nia wo ye no, pe bia obenya support no mo. Na metumi aboa. 2024 election. A agenda ibinu maseti edaw nti no senka wo mu nyama tutu yie a MP before asem na make nke bebo but aya na ye mu say ye ya ade na ye wie a ye be pachew ye wie ye be kasa but ne wo mu ye no wo ma wie no na de ntichemu na ebeba no wo mu ntumi recover da MP sa wo mu declare wo stand in ya no Umunya woma kodia danger zone. Me na meka kire wo.
How? Odi for chimga krama.
E betumi a hye nkoma to so. Se obe ni pakese.
Yeah.
Be gina wo so. Se nkom se da wo so se wo yodefo na so na wo da. Ye die ne ma.
Ba se odi for se enkom hye so en da wo so. Na wo yiro ho ye adwuma. Certainly you become
Abraham no bia wo hye bre ode ba asasi so. Nyame amfo bia mene na masasi so se woni nam so keke se wo de wo bebre obia woni botai nti oba asasi so ba agina wo nipa no wo so se wo be sori se o ma bebia wo fi enlemtew obe ma mu se nya ya wo de an obe ko agi.
okay.
But all the 5 candidates are more contest niya obia born one body ye ni obetumi. But there was a particular one bia Shemi Prophet Adona obemia nke be che na dikitu bi na waye ko be fa ade ne simple well one akansi na wo mo kon wo be hu ni say ye o e just ye ne delegate na kasa keke but something near wo hu ye no a eye dwuma wo the same time no eye hu krase ne wo mo ye
odi for o kan bi odi for chirem gakrama
ahwefo ntini ya meka ne se ablabo na ye bole gira wo ya de mienu esum ni han
okay.
Nti Jesus Christ say yemfa Kaiser de ma Kaiser no when you raise into your casa na nkometumi aka say o mamu ntua tu bi ema ohene no
yeah
ana meboa so no bae won a wo mu di nechi nkobetumi insight so wo mu ye bibia mamu ye because wo mu ye Christians mu ye Jews ma be di mechi
okay.
na so Kristo nti a kire na so Jew fo so wo ma mamre no wo mama ndi a wo mu ye ko Jew ni bom pa ya de akokọ fa ni tiri so no recite Psalms say ni o hwehwe ni nsa beka Kristo sisi obewuji yen ko de ni moja pepa yen bone ni nti Kristo ni so bom pa ya oni so ni didie no bebo a ti ya de mienu the same ya me no ba obi ani kwan of so ko nanim ena se ni pati ahye nyame na ye ni ayehwe no nyame ba ko obi di nsuo na ebo mpa ko nanim obi di nsa na ebo mpa ko nanim obi soja na okasa gum obi so gina obo ni nsem ebo mpa ko nanim obi bu nkotodwe obi a woni kwan of so ni nyame nti abrabo no bo a se wodi woni hwefa akora obo brasan MPP for former General Secretary Cast was a fear delegate.
Yeah.
The day they ever bought you, so be do about 2 now be result ever. One up betiasi. About 2 year 2 Ghana. What that political party nepe leader or money near the leader. And your physical send your nipe who.
On say Odifo, who some now work on a mudo. What do you mean say MPP for no or more share one side? And no moon shed other side na.
Since I say one part in confusion be brain na showroom.
Okay.
Confusion na showroom minimum na we put to share confusion the my party.
No. Pastors. Political people be na.
It is a brabo ya yeboya. Unama wo bra nyame koyi. Wonyo bi ton ade e wodwem. Stony. If you are corner, Swadi Auton, Swadi Auton. But we say, I believe your customers be bria. But who could tell you say?
Okay, but say young shot they will. Kennedy a Japan. A dear for a bono. Say in your Kennedy a boy and Kofubi ne cancer. The Kofone cannon is it the writing on Mokana? Oh,
send you be our so me one thing about me spiritual father. The way politicians, I don't want to talk about any anything about say me who say you come modi. Me want that. Cause politician of power. O can be yes, when he get power and obey throw me shubai. You ever talk about 2024? These politicians here and there was we should do a February, baby na back. One become one ben now so say ye petum. He say we a deep for now we say President Otisuni obey ya tea committee ya tea office be back. I don't play with politicians. But how do we do about me be fa pepe? Minim say MPP minim regional come to show leader and come when we need 2028 easily. Go 2028 election. And your peace council be sign and they want fight 2024 so almost inside they are going. And the peace council for te womuka. Police for going to me engineer. So that for quite bo. This I mean about 2028 be peace council. Na inside the coalition Africa election your peace council as a mo. We dey no win. MPs be brave woman ni e je sit fi wo misem. They know. Nti ama MPs ni bia wo mu chi kwa no bia wo ma brave MPs bia mtete parliament election na no ade.
Nti odifo u chiremu a abatu aye ba betu yi no. Senate ye.
Emu ehye. Edi odifo bi hu ade bia so hu ade ko chirebe 2020 say hu ne eba. Ba na say hu kura keka bia wo bo man ne kokko.
But a bread to say Ghana will go through those issues.
Since Africa election and you free and fair. Because Nipa Bebre 2024, one more about I'm from Penoma in Coalition Center. Mamu will be social media.
Yeah.
We were. We'll be a ballot by she be near the ampre.
Yeah.
This is your name, Kobia. Office and maintenance, sir. We remember to police, we remember to soldiers. That be. 2024, I'm for far under rebels for outside country by mine. 2024, no mining engineer. Me say spiritual near me win. Me walk or be brave. I'm for far terrorist group by say crime bias was when you say mining giddy sim. 2024 election I call it.
Yeah.
It's a candidate back on the cry how now. On to me no dear Mika or be to Muna Bibia no crampona and yes into your jump is be brace if you want to say about woman. Opa almost starting your recount to all the constituencies.
Okay. Odifo, almost information are all they back out no I know your pa and I'm so much interest. Yeah, because se woni nyame di fo hia na woni di nkomo a eya na nsem na woka no opa se onka se netie na aboa ma na ewo tie no so no etime sua ade bi firi. Inji se wo chirem se abato na da ye nimu no ebeye gidigidi a. So what do you suggest? We foot when say.
I will be a vampire. Empire boy, we
can solve it.
And yami be hu yambo.
Ba Odifo.
Is there for call compare born and jump to one or couldn't.
Na by this something say you vampire to you my
yami be kasa.
Odifo say your vampire na ya to you be
yami ti ase.
Dey Odifo. Your vampire na ya to you be.
Mama kan no crunch ye ho wo man no.
You.
We ask na name. Ne yemfa ye ni hu do so ne ye di ni. Abrabon tiase se gina o ma de mi esumba woda ehan ba wo sore wo nipa no fam de no ba wo se anadwena wada na yobi so ni wiase ono so asoro obo na bra ehon na nipa ntiase nti bible se ye ne honam ni moja ninya yem president o tisu Kofi TV ye ni interview mbribim o se 2016 election na ikoyen o ye djuma bebre ba na Ghana phone na spiritually akata Ghana for ni nti nipa wenya nhunu bi sei se abatu aye to den time obon ho mbode ye djuma mo man no but ebi wo no man na me o collection bi wa se ebeto abaso ko ne papa nda so ko bompa ye enso obi no mo se saman friend ye nti nipa na wewu no kɔbɔ mpaeɛ ɛdɛn na ɛbae hwee nim nti nda no so na ɛne fɛ sɛ ɔkɔgyina so abɔ mpaeɛ
nti odifo na wo kan sɛ so obi wu a na nipa ne hyɛ den wu ya
sɛ aya asɔfo no bi daadaa ekristofoɔ no
okay
okɔ asɔre ɔbɔ mpaeɛ holy ghost fire ghost bɛn na aya ɔsɔfo no odi anim na ɔfrɛ no sɛ question ni pɛ sɔfo ɔbɛ ne bɛto challenge ɔde sɛ yɛfrɛ ghost because Jesus Christ a yɛnyɛ di ne ti no Bible say ɔsɔre fi ewufo with his body
there was no ghost yeah
Yesu onye ghost
yeah
ɔsɔre de ne honam na ɔbɛfa ayɛ no ɔde sunsun ne bɛ ɔde sɔre na ɔde kɔɔyɛ according to Bible
yeah
nti ghost bɛn na yɛ kristofo yɛfrɛ me challenge di fo bi ɔhwɛ obi a ɔsesa man frɛ nyɛ me challenge me san so adɛ ɔmɛkyerɛ me ɛdɛn nti na Yesu edu mbrɛ mu yɛ den no Moses Bible shi owuye anayo
oh
so owuye Elijah ponko ti ase na mbefa an ko en Bible show ko beda ne John the Baptist na etwanti John so wu on ko do wu atofu be du be biemu yɛ den Bible show wo mu ba en be she Yesu den on ti abrabɔ no bɔ ase abɛbɔ brasa nyamehom no ne pie do shi ne pie nti sɛ ɔkɔ election na ɔyɛ sɛ ɔyɛ popular me yɛ popular me yɛ simesi me bua party beto ewie obɛte ase
wo kasa no wo kyerɛ sɛ John Mahama kane no ɔkɔ grantee an interview anakovitive grant interview no kyerɛ sɛ ne nyumedi odiye no na ya fraga na fo ani wo ho can we also say say MPP fo abato omoto ya nkunimdi amba no ye fraga na fo ani ana
2024 election awe okay so bia no kwa ya mefa so
se na wo hu no ye frai no
eye se nipa bia Yesu ka asem bi o se okonja yanyanka obema nkonkon no oba betran yimu nkonkon na ti mu no me awakini o show no we nipa according to John chapter number 4 verse number 23 to 24 so nyankopon ya ho metwa say yes o no ho ne nukure John chapter 1 na o read going na o se dubu eji Yesu din di ye ma wo tumi se omunye nyankopon ba o read 1 Corinthians chapter number 15 verse number 44 o se o shunshun ni pedua na ye wonam ni pedua nti nipa nkasa wonam no o shunshun ni pedua ni pedua e wo se wo show no spiritual side o tumi hu bibi o tumi nya tinke bi o tumi nya feeling bi
obia
nipa bia wodi Yesu echi bia just won gini ndi
okay
nti wodi shining spirit na e wo se etum kasa kyerɛw nti na Bible so bia bofo wo so bia o guiding angel nti wo bofo wodi go chi say through the Holy Spirit in you se untumi nti na untumi hu a abrebi abeto amanim abrebi abeto hawo
wow
about nipa bebre tu abawie sankes opa monfa cameras nsi abonten na mo interview Ghana for nkese o about a yeto no oto ma hwan wo be reject se wo man to ama current president na edoso that's what we need share about na MP before election ya woni nkofo mu sie
ayi hu
say bi ni mo de nkofo bi fi Benin wo mo Ghana wo mo ye nyama
spiritually
I swear
but odifo why have we come to such a
power ye ka power
involve sunsun and all this physical
abrabo boy say man no be and that dauda I don't think you Yesu Yesu sorry Luke chapter 2 verse number 20 to 25 us ye kumumro no mani njan kukude baf Yesu Bible shi bofo no be share ne ma me mele nkomo bofo no ni Yesu din ba yi I don't think yes I dey man nende yes etwem Bible New Testament me ka Old Testament ko there yes ya apam dada but you go to tight wo ba ji New Testament and be sika de anya apam dada nti nya me ba bi bre ubi edwuma wo be ware utu kwan obi en company kwa ya fawo abraba wo bon se we hu ni share sika yesunsun na wo pe nti wo se wo gina wo sika wo no twempena ka kro beto acho But walu ya. When I don't say, son and yawa. Abrabon number 1 tia shabe bo brasa.
Odifo.
Papa.
Me da se pa wo nya brɛ no makasa fan. Na me di masem ekure ewie no. Ye fra se ne ye ka se rumors circulate. Se NDC aban no e pese pre etetem. Se Excellency John Dramani Mahama eba be president for the 3rd term. Now, if you say aban we ba ye no, is he doing well? Na magana for mu say so to aso be president the 3rd term ebe boye. Spiritually because me say wo de no masem de person be ganti hu no. Osha is it well with Ghana? Me akoso aka say oh, papa no sambre bium na boye dem o.
2028 about to. Sasa mo bisa menya ko bo de yankopon ma yankwa no ma yan wode. Yes 2028. Na bibi wa yaka. But me prophet Adona miti.
Okay.
So me ben president. Me Kennedy fo a wo bon pai man wo hwekwe mu man.
You.
Nka me tunfo. So me ka me prophet fo wo atwa no wo hia ho a. Nka me tunfo say there was no akwankyere obeye so on fen kwa another time e was oko no mpaibo ombebo o meka so on fen kwa another time e was oko se me Kennedy fo ho ka me tunfo
But Odifo me ntwa no o say o hwe your present we na brabo a wabo o say with unknown no bibia e different
me say
na didie ye different how I will lose you how was your back o hwe vote when yana o say the bibia e different couldn't it be say he is a promised son and I say he is a savior of Ghana say na be na ika no
obia won eye na me catch o say ye wo asem bi wo a ye nka obedwu ye ka okoko na wo say nipa bia ye wo time any season
you
Ombresha Obo wakra be mo bia tonka ba ombresha na wo hu be bia wo na ma wo be pra wan ya tama wo hia be ba no na hia na be stibuti sana nyamedwum sunsun dwume met nti obi nde yare bi wakoabre odi akọ difo kuku dem waji wondi ho but ebi wana difo nyame be fa ne nhyaso abenya waya resa no ebi won po na onidi social media kwa na the first time awaba so no
okay
sana abraboniti nti nipa bia utumi ye adwuma akopem bebi wo ye dan na te kwa wo ye dan utumi nsore se ne asore kane ne da ye wa shofu bebre bagigi din akese okromia nde bi nko abefi se jama wo ni kromia bio
amuni kuma bio
ba wo wo ye yamedwuma pa wo ndi na eswa kata
ene kre
ene obi so adan we pie we say nipa ni show we pie no so se nyamedwuma se bi okwa no oye abofra wo
ba yentene kada fe ni atenka
utin nka na ne nyame de ni din apeti bebia nti no abrabo no bo na we hu bebia obo brama kodua wanya bebia nyame de wu ye no bedu ba be pressure pese ko e won na asem beba me prophet Adona se me kan president ni prophet fon wa nka mi nyame sume hu a me ka kire
okay so many prophet Adona na AD enko me so say the contact as you all no person friend I mean ka say friend dey but who person friend no who was spiritual issue be person need din komo wasem say bia the contact that you offer na won no enka saba me bisa me last question here dey you come dey abani we Odifo at the beginning of the year na enkom sha ebe nyina no ekoma Kennedy a compre Japan but me no ka say enkom sha no adane bisa say akwankyere bi akoso ana
me say ebini mo akofan kofo mo yesunsun dwuma fi other countries ama won ye
it this time too
nyama akoso
wow
she nyama akoso papa na kan MPP fo nka candidate ebe bo wo mo sembo mpaye mo
mo se wo de endro bebre aba ni nyina so no we sili ano kama Odifo
papa
ni ba se wo kasa edru kakra o mai
we ayaresa bible si ndi duaba na fa na ha ni sayare
okay
nia course and the yare kunipa any say cool.
Okay.
There be I am a cassa say, and an animal breast to meet tenacity. Say, a billion 80, 90, 100 near the Ankayan generation gets any pine new crabbosa.
Okay.
Because Titino, a yama be under Uchu Fona, Obiwo, we are see a fan baby able to win in a casa. So, or to me, I a video call, one another casa, Ufa Titin how. Answer a baby is clubbing any panabona man and on a yakwafe.
Okay.
But in the no. Nyama easy. Inti adenti nda yare ni se kunipa. Yare a main person meti se kunipa kwa diabetes ni pressure. Inti we secretary na we cardio. Wudi obi a owo pressure pa edinia. Onye bi no mo suru nti ebetu ase. Kana we diabetes ebati. So the na type 1 and type 2. Onye bi no ma ebetu ase ase obo ade yankopon di enumia. We so dompe Catholic, sciatica, and a balm. Obi a word don't pay me yari, who an intimate channel, who an koto j, who an assassin, who an sissy chiani, a champo, who an spana called the ya. Community for to me, Jana. We never know my betuasi. But one thing I mean in Tongue drew me sayari.
Okay.
And I will draw be so my friend for you one. We never know my physically a protective brain. Wakoma any liver a bit warm kidney problem we need that say stomach ulcer and they couldn't pay yare bi o any say utenasi ema account to an say wabrabo do ye bi no more assurance ayaresa ba sha obade yankopon die no yam we show respiratory obi a wo asthma and obi a do tu nkompa and obi a wo abese wa na titini ye etini class na ye kase o de hina pon we say moja feel ni hini mo ba nyi bi no ma betu ase we say activation of the soul power healing body
and you can mean as an activation of the soul
onipa bi o he nipa bebiri wo mo nam wo mo ye ti ase wo mo kra nada.
Okay.
Yama nipa mpa bode bi ye kubo nsam ye chechere ye tu ye bobu a waste of energy. Yes, we are 40 days, 40 nights. 40 days, 40 nights. Don't we are not some shy. Until Christopher, what I am doing, Kakra.
But I fast and so born money to me, the Samsung.
But I say, I give me say, you're fast and bomb, but you bomb on some, you might drop on some.
And they're impossible.
But the Messiah. Why you are fasting your bosom? It's young children say, a coaching in Pibo. Oh, yeah. Challenge you, attack you. Because Bible she used to hear about somebody. On any bedin come. Say when they use in national command so bon. Because why fast they will come there they will try winter. No be there driani so wash. What I say? Inti ye nchire na nyame mba ntiase. Ushushu mu peduane ye mra. Wan kasa bom pai kranko. Bomba yanko. Ti I say wunya awakening. Oma show me sorry.
Okay now.
Ekenya. Okay. Ade bia nyame boy bia wo butai nti obo mai. Ade bia nyame boy mai bia wo ne butai. Nti say ya resa na ope. So obi beda be so dai obi ne da. Obi da so dai no obi ne da. Obo mpai bia wo so obo wiase. Na so still and that so cost adentia. Ye nyame bo man ye wo se ye di jire ye nipedua say they say Psalm 51 verse 7 enu bebi enu ye dey ma David no David ka jire nyame so fa dura yi ne hufio na nyame cause na won ne mo ye dey David so yu nyame kasa so du bebi mu ye dey o ka jire nyame so fa dura yi ne hufi
yeah
ti wo say abodie haban ya nyame bo man yi nia nature no e obutanti ya nyame di twa ne mba ho sia ye di won yam pai boy ye won ya fasting ye na won nyame abode so ne ye
okay
obade yankopon hiro bibia oyo bibia akoma so bisade ma no na se de die nua
amen odifo me da se fa se Jesus for the buy emsia me ne prophet Adonai and edin common in the contact edas you no mo owo nduru bebra we seals ni nyina no a
you check here numbers ni akwan be fa so abe misuni ni ya
okay ebusia ntupe drone so bia ne contacted us yofa na oni odifo Adonai eni koma high too much message dem say go subscribe my page ni adoman se na ye upload bia so na onsa ebetumi aka background